you have been on this case right from Justice Binta Nyako just for this to comment. So how do you feel today and how would you react?
That's exactly the reason why we have to say something in addition to what the SAN has said. These gentlemen here, these lawyers standing with me here, are members of the old guard. We have been there from the get-go, so we know the nitty-gritty of this case. Well, what I can add is we are finally here. The government is finally having the trial that it desires. Our position still remains unchanged despite the ongoing trial. That our client is innocent of the charges, that the case is driven by political considerations, and in the end, the innocence of our client will be established. So we take it from here to 2nd May when we are going to subject the government witness who testified today. We are going to submit him to, or subject him to cross-examination, and then the truth shall begin to be revealed to everybody. Thank you very much. We appreciate you always being around to cover this very political ongoing for the past 10 years. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Are you comfortable?
We're very comfortable, but first of all, we thank God for today. We thank God that the matter has eventually kicked off without rancor. You know, you needed to have been in court to observe the proceedings. All the parties cooperated, and PW1 testified. PW1 is Mr. AAA, as he was designated. He investigated the matter 10 years ago, and today he came and gave his evidence and tendered documents. The matter is very simple. The state has a case against our client, and we are defending him. And for the first time, the matter has been opened, and we have heard what the evidence is. On Friday, we are coming back to cross-examine him. But in the main, the matter has commenced on a good note, very sound note, very civilized trial. And we hope by the grace of God we'll continue on this note and get to the end.
Okay, my name is Dr. Sylvester Onya, President of American Veterans of Igbo Descent, AVID.
Okay, so you have witnessed the first proceeding today.
Oh, it was wonderful.
Okay, so let's have your reaction to it. And what would you like to add?
I've seen a change in our system, a very dignified, honorable judge, conducting every proceeding with respect, very respectful, honorable man. I was so impressed. I couldn't believe I was in there, listening to how he conducted the hearing.
Okay, so
without, it's going to be a very fair hearing.
Okay, there were some claims by the PW1 about the radio station. You are from the diaspora. How do you react to that?
Well, it's quite unfortunate that we have not woken up to understand that you cannot just arrest people because they have equipment on them. When the interview was going on, the leader of IPOB was mentioning in that particular interview that he was just broadcasting, telling the world about what the British government is doing. And there's nothing wrong with him telling the world that we deserve our rights and we deserve what is in London over here, to be treated fairly, to have what they have. Whatever they're enjoying, we need to enjoy it in this country. We don't have to be fighting each other. I think that's what he was trying to communicate.
All right. Thank you very much.
I appreciate it. My name is Dr. Sylvester Onya, President of American Veterans of Igbo Descent.
All right. Thank you.